I DataWeave problem solving sessions. Uh, Let me share my screen. I'm not sure I'm audible or not this time. So from where we can solve the problem. So first you have to go like this one online DataWeave playground where you can like if any problem maybe you can start with this online playground, and maybe you can go with another one like Visual Studio Code. Generally I prefer both. Yeah. Okay, let me share my screen. The another screen is also available. So here you can see this is online database playground. And for problem solving skill, first you can start with all the problems which is available in the DataWeave online playground tutorials. So if you here you can see mm, this is like here we can add input, and here we can write a script, and here we can see the output. But in this playground there is also a tutorial available. So if you go there, here you can see this is the tutorial part. If you click there and go there, and you will see like lots of contents available. So here you can see like this is the basics of database where you, and each sections you will see one problems which you can solve. And and you can see like here you can see like MIME type, and at the end there will be one exercise. Here you can see there is a one exercise, and each of the sections when you solve this one, like they are trying to like you have to modify the script and that will return the CSV output. And here you can see here we have to write the script and you will see the output. So this is the like a starting point from where you can start the data with problem solving skills. So you can start with these things. Like here you can see like creating data, reading data, and this is the like one of the basic things, uh, like single value selector, index selector, range selector. And then we have these things, if else conditions and functions. So most of the problem which you can solve using, if you go down like 7 and 8, this is very important. So from 7, these challenges, using this thing, like most of the like data web transformation, you have to play with array, either with object, and then the function will come into picture like filter, map, distinct by, group by, reduce. And these are the like most useful functions which is useful for the transformation, and also for the object also, like filter object, map object, plug and update. So these are the like core functions which will be used in the any problem solving for the database. Let's see if there is any comment. Screen blurred. Okay, maybe next time I will record the session and upload it, but let's see. So today like here you can see like filter. So here you can see at the end there will be one question which you can try to solve, and I have already solved. That's why it's one check mark is coming. Even you can see like map, and here you can see like this is the problem, and I have solved it, and you can see like check mark. Even in the my page, I have YouTube, and if you go to the DataWeave Fun page, search for DataWeave Fun, and this is the page like you can go there and subscribe it. Even I've solved all the problems, and you can see here like this is the like uh, master data with online exercises. So I have solved all the problems here, so you can watch this video if we are stuck. Even like here also they have provided us all the solution in the GitHub also. So if you are stuck, you can check on the GitHub also. So here you can see like edit on GitHub. If you go there, it will open that the same function, the map function, and here you can see all the things are there. But if you wanted to see the answer is available here, answer.md. uh, no, so this is the input. Okay, I think, yeah, that answer will be available in the transform.dwl. So here you can see the answers for each like distinct by. For this answer, like if you go to the edit on it GitHub, you will see the answers. So here you can see distinct by, and go to the transform.dwl, and here you can see this is the answers, and I have solved in similar manner. So here you can see, so this is the like best like starting point. But today I will be solving few of the questions from the MuleSoft help forum. So how you can master like you can go to the MuleSoft help forum, and this is the like people generally ask questions related to any in questions in MuleSoft. So this has like various topic section also. Here you can see like any point platform API manager. If you wanna practice DataWeave questions, so either you can go with DataWeave 1 and DataWeave 2. If you click on that one, you will see lots of questions. So you can start picking one questions from there, and you can start solving those, and that will help like increasing the knowledge of data web, like how you can solve this one. So what I today I will be doing, I will pick one of the questions, one or two questions, and then I will try to solve it. So even already picked it up. So here you can see, so these are the questions like need help in database for transforming to correct format. So you can like they are getting in the payload in format of this one. So here you can see logs and these things, and when they are doing something like payload dot split by, and with this one they are getting in this format, but they needs output in this format. Okay, so this is the questions. So first thing, let's see this one. Even like the input is incorrect, so let me copy the correct input from here. Okay, I will go to that uh, this online playground that is in text format. Generally what I will do, like this is the like input, and the output which we are expecting in, we have to convert into the array. And this one, when we are doing this one like split by with, so we are getting in this format. Okay, but there our expectation is that this one we have to read it in uh, JSON format. So there is a function called read. Okay, even you can see all the API references also here. So here you can see all the references. So you can go and check that. So read, and for the read we have to pass like this input, and then we have to pass this application JSON. So basically we have to note it down. If we are not passing any this thing, application JSON, by default it will take application DW. That will impact like performance. So it will be always advisable to like go with appropriate output like application JSON, application XML. Don't go with DW. It will impact the performance. It is only used for the debugging purpose. Okay, so we go there where it is. So this is this, and when we will do read, it will give you the expected result, but we have not provided. By default it will take application DW. If you go to the function you will see that one, but we have to specify. We don't have to go with DW, we have to go with JSON. So in this way, like you can solve it. The another question is, this is the easy one which I took it from that L forum. The one of the question which I will take it like this one. So in this one, the question is like they have two variables, okay, and let me see. Yeah, let, so when you have two arrays, this is the first arrays, okay, and this is the second one, and what they are expecting like we have ID1 and their corresponding UUID, ID2 and UUID. They wanted to replace this question ID with UUUID. One of the solution will be like iterate this one, like maybe map, and then what I will do from here, we will do the filtering, okay, a filter from this array. But if we have a larger payload, then this solution will be like uh, not good. This will hit performance impact, because every iteration we are doing filtering. So basically, like every iterations we are just iterating this one again and again, again and again, again and again. So instead of this, why like uh, this is not a suggestible approach. So this can be solved into two approach. First approach, here you can see like we have only two value. One is ID, another is UID. ID and UID. What we, if we can make it in this array into object, something like this one. Okay. ID, I will keep ID as ID1 as key and this one as value. This one as key and this one as value. So what will happen? So but first we have to like iterate it and create in this format key value pair. So our result will be like one, something like some UUID one, okay, two UUID two. So this become object. When we are reading it, here you can see when we are getting one, so we will create another variable called C or ABC something, and just we have to refer this this object. This is object, like some object is there. Then just we have to iterate with like one object this value with key value, then we will get that UUID one. So that will be like easy one. Okay, so this is the one of the approach which will be solved, and this will not hit any like performance hit. Another way is like here you can see if we have two arrays, Here you can see in the questions also this is arranged. So in that one solution is like go with join. Join join will also do the same thing, but internally what it will do, like grouping, group by. The first thing they will do, group by internally if you see the function. So with some value, like for id1 it will do the group by, and it will return the same thing like object. Okay, to then this object. In this one also this will do the same thing. So we will see both approach, like creating an object, creating a join, and creating a filter. Okay, I'm not sure you are getting it. Let's see. Let me see if there is any comment. We are not able to see the screen. Maybe later I will record the session and upload it, and that will be very useful. Uh, okay. So these questions I will take, like here you can see. um, there are two variable. Let me open. Here you can see like we have two variable. One is id1, id2, and maybe I will remove this thing also. Maybe only questions I will take it. Okay, so here you can see we have id and uuid, id2 and uuid. So I will make it, this is key and this will be value. This will be like key and value. So I will do use parenthesis. Okay, let's see. So first problem is like we have to convert this into the like key value pair. So what I will do, like a, okay, I will read it, a map, and then dollar dot id and dollar dot uuid. We have to do like this. We are getting this format. Okay, here you can see we are getting uh, key value, key value, but this is surrounded with object, this is surrounded with object, but this is in array. Again we have to do the filtering. So how we can use the parenthesis and remove this array and convert into a single object. So parenthesis, I think, hope you are aware. So okay, so now you can see this one is converted into uh, key value pair 1 2, and it will be like easy to get. Like if you refer this as key for this variable, this object, we will get the exact uuid. So what I will do, I will rename this one as variable c. Okay, now I'm getting this one. Now I have to update this question id with uuid. So what I will do, we create it. So this is object. Okay, we have to update this with uuid. So which one we have to update? Question id. If I will do, let's, here you can see like it is updating question id, but we have to update with when we will do like c. Okay, we are getting this thing, but we have to pass this value. So I will pass dollar. So here you can see if we are passing dollar, so it will give the one, but we have to get it from the c object, and c object is, you can see like that is key value pair. Here you can see dollar, and this is one of the approach, and it will not do any performance impact. But one problem is like maybe you can try with this one also, like people will go with easy approach, a filter like dollar dot id is equal to like dollar something dollar. Yeah, item, okay, dot id is equal to dollar. So one of the approach, like people will go with this approach, but we are not getting exact result. Not sure why. Okay, I know why it is not getting the result, because item dot id. If you see, this one is number format. Here you can see string format. If you do the comparison, it will never will be equal. Okay, so one of the thing is that is why. So we have to convert this one as a string, then you will get. And then what we will do, like we will get the first element, and then id, something like that we will do. So this is like every iterations, like for every iteration we have to do like all the like iteration of a. So that is not a good approach. Okay, so it is good to go with key value pairs. Otherwise you can go with join also. So you have to import arrays, and let's go with join. So here you can see like we have to provide the two arrays first, like these are the two arrays, and then we have to provide that in on which we have to join this value. So first one is question id, and for a I think it is id. So here you can see we are getting that one is left and another is right. So just you can iterate it, okay, and dollar dot l, we are getting this one. And you can do like we have to update with if you're not doing it, like here you can see dollar dot l question id something is there, we can update this with uuid, the dollar dot r dot uuid. So what I will do, either, so question id, that is we have to get it from uuid, okay. And for title, I think that will get from left hand. So in this way also, this is also one of the approach which you can do. I That's it for today. Maybe I will cover some of the more scenarios in the next sessions. Maybe next time I will try to record the session and come within the streaming, so that the screen will not be blurred. And you can tell me like which approach you will go for these solutions, filter or join or parenthesis way. Thank you. Thank you for joining.